Hello, this is Robert from Beyond 20. Today we're working in Cherwell version 5, and we're going to cover how to clear out some of the demo content or any additional content that you've added to the Cherwell database since you've started development. So when Cherwell originally rolls out, there's a demo database that's loaded with a bunch of random tickets and customers, and if there's any customers that you've imported on top of the demo customers, the data is all mixed and matched and mingled, and you want to go ahead and kind of clear that data out before you're getting ready to go live and importing your production customers. So there's two different ways to go about clearing out this demo content. But before we go ahead and get started on that, I want to make sure that anyone watching this video has already made a full czar backup and verified that you can log into that czar and that it's a fully functional backup. Just in case you cleared this out and realized that after the fact that there was a few records that you didn't want to clear out right away, you want to go ahead and make that backup before you get started. We do have a YouTube video on that. If you look at our channel, that's kind of already outlined. But to go ahead and get started here, there are two methods for clearing out the demo content in a Cherwell database. The first one, if we go ahead and launch the blue planet here and select our incidents. So the first method is by going to every business object and doing a file delete all. Now, depending on how many business objects that you've added content to, this might be the quicker, easier way to go. Any records that are associated with the parent and that are marked as delete child with parent, those will be deleted, such as journal entries and whatnot. But you are going to have to go to every object that has data and make sure that that has been wiped clean. Now, if you don't want to go through that process, Cherwell gives us a very quick way to do that through a tool. If you go into the definition editor, under Cherwell Service Management Tools, want to go ahead and right-click on that and go to Run as Administrator. Select the database. Make sure you're selecting the correct one here. Once we log in, up here on the top under System, there's a option to clear demo content. Now, this clear demo content is not going to just clear out the customers, the tickets, the journal records. It's also going to clear out the user info table. It's going to leave you with the CSD admin account as the only account that can log in to Cherwell. So once again, if you have imported any technicians into the user info table, once you clear the demo content, you're going to have to re-import those technicians in. So assuming that's okay, go ahead and click on Clear Demo Content. This process is actually pretty quick. Here it only took about 2 seconds. Go ahead and close that, exit the definition editor, and now if we refresh the screen here, we should see that there are no records. All that data has now been completely cleared from the system, and that's it on the process. So there's two methods to go ahead and clear the demo content from a Cherwell database, depending on your situation. One's a little bit quicker than the other, but just be aware of the differences between the two options. And once again, this was Robert with Beyond 20. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other tips and tricks, and thank you.